So what are the matrices to measure business values? Yeah, it is a very relevant question for your PMP exam. So we need to understand some of the outcome matrices. Now, if I just talk about PMP exam content outline, in the beginning of our business domain, we talk about some of the financial matrices. One of the simple and most commonly used metrics is a return on investment. So you may have a ROI measurement happening. Again, initially ROI will be purely estimated. As you start executing your project, some of the investment information may get refined and some of the return information may also get forecasted. Probably during your project duration, ROI will remain a forecasted ROI only because returns may come over a period of time, but that's one of the metrics. The benefit related matrices also depends upon the type of work you are doing. So if I am, say, improving a production system, and the idea is that it will save us money in the say scrap cost or in our automation by way of our operational cost, then we will have a cost saving as our measurement system. Now, maybe during our implementation, we may identify phase one delivery first, and we may automate some part of our operational production system, and we calculate how much money we have saved based on our previous month expenses by using this particular thing. So that could be another measurement. Sometimes people want to have a customer satisfaction increased. Then they need to find out how they want to capture the customer satisfaction. Maybe they want to focus on number of incidents they are getting, number of complaints they are getting, and they may count the complaints received from the customer should get reduced as we start delivering things. This all is possible when we are making incremental delivery. If we only have an end of the project lifecycle delivery, then the feedback for this may be just a review demos. You may give a demonstration and you may want to check the satisfaction level based on your reviews. So it depends upon the type of problem you are solving. I gave 3 examples. It also depends upon the delivery model you have. Are you making incremental deliveries or you are making an end of the life cycle delivery? From a PMP exam perspective, they do want to talk about a term called Net Promoter Score, which used as a satisfaction indicator of your stakeholders and customers. So you may use NPS as a one number. They do talk about ROI in their examples. They do vaguely mentions that you may have things like number of visits coming in, number of sales increasing, amount of cost saving happening at various levels. Those may work as a tool for you to measure your outcomes. Yeah? So benefit measurements are outcome matrices and you need to identify them. And that's your job as a project manager. You may not own the whole data. You may not have that information, how much money we have saved completely. So we need to identify who gives which part of the information and how do we measure this benefit at a various frequency. And that's clarity is needed, expected to be there with the project manager. So that's your job.